Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi 12, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that just click here to the always on display and lock screen section. Here you'll see the AOD section. Click here, and just to activate the always on display you should click here once on the switcher, and here we can just change the display items for 5 seconds after tapping always scheduled. We can just activate the start time and the end time. And also here we got the battery saver switcher. We can turn it on or turn it off. We'll stay with the always, and by this way we can activate the AOD feature. And now we'll just check that, and as can you see, we just successfully activated the always on display feature on our Xiaomi 12. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.